So this lecture will be uploaded on YouTube, so you can check it out there also. And don't worry about the notes. I'll send the notes on the group as well. So if you have missed anything, you can continue then also. Okay. So just pay attention. Just समझ के लो मैं क्या सिखा रहा हूँ. Okay. Even you, Prince, your second day. So you just pay attention. Okay. So we'll go ahead. So what happened? So ठीक है. Till now अभी तुम लोग समझ गए कि दोनों में से झगड़े का माहौल हो गया था. They never fought. Okay. So between whom was the Cold War? Between the American and the Soviet country. The cooperation between them gave way to rivalry. This rivalry occupied for a period of 40 to 45 years. Okay. No, I'll tell you what to write. I'll tell you what to write. Don't worry. Okay. The rivalry between them went on to 40-45 years. There was no open war between these two countries, but there was a tense situation. Okay. So I'll tell you all what to write. So I can write this first line till here. Then you can write this line. Okay, you all can write this down. So Jia, you need to have to make a book for social studies and English. Okay. Now you just can what I'm giving you, just write it down. If you have a book, just pen it down. After you can add it to your notes. Okay. And if you don't understand anything, just ask me, unmute and ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And guys, why is only Rishon's camera on? बाकी सब लोगों का कैमरा क्यों on नहीं? तुम लोग पढ़ने का नहीं क्या? Because for me nothing है. Lecture record हो रहा है. Alfred सर बाद में देखेगा, फिर तुम लोग घर पे कॉल जाएगा. मेरे को मत बोलो. Yeah, Aaron's camera is on. Okay. Okay. Now everyone's on. Okay. So let me know when you're done writing. Okay. So this basically ये chapter में ना you all have to go to a timeline. Okay. Base कृष्णकांत हर lecture में late आता है क्या? Albert सर के lecture में भी late आता है?
पता नहीं.
Late आके sometimes late आके sir what you have done? हमें को ऑब्वियस स्टार्टिंग से सिखाना पड़ता है. Okay. Let me know once you're done writing. Okay. This chapter में वो लोग ने एकदम डिटेल में नहीं गए according to war, because if you go in detail for World War 1, 2, 3 तो मतलब at least 7 to 8 lectures World War 1 पे ही जाता है. That's why they don't go in detail exactly. ये सिर्फ ऊपर तुम लोगों को summary देखा है.
Sir.
Yes, Jia.
Sir, which lesson you are teaching now?
This is first lesson of political science. Okay. First lesson of political science. We have already started this chapter, so don't worry. Like if you feel you have missed, now we'll be doing a revision also at the end of the week. Revision lecture hoega, so you can join that lecture. Then you'll understand what we are doing. Okay.
Sorry, sir, but there is network issue. Can you tell me once again which lesson you are teaching now?
First lesson, political science, first chapter.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Done, sir.
Okay, everyone's done.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll wait for another 2-3 minutes. All right. There are a lot of videos which all can watch, but हर सब वीडियो 2-3 घंटे के ऊपर जाता है. तो मेरे को मालूम है तुम लोग देखेगा नहीं 2-3 घंटे के ऊपर का वीडियो. So I'm only trying to make it between a 5 to 10 minute videos that I'll show you.
हेलो सर, आपने कल एक हिटलर का मूवी का नाम बोला था, वो बोल सकते हो?
Jojo Rabbit. The movie is on Hotstar. You all will also get on torrent. It's a kids movie. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि you all can't watch it. It's a kids movie. You all can watch it with the family as well.
Sir, done.
Okay. Everyone is done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nice. Yes, okay. So now we go to the definition of Cold War. Okay, so you all can write the definition. So you didn't send the link of Swix. Yes, I didn't send because what happened? कल जैसा ही lecture खत्म हो गया ना, light चला गया और light सीधा आज सुबह आया. So I didn't get to upload also. But don't worry, I have all the links with me only. I'll upload today and I'll send it. Okay. The concept of Cold War is used to describe. So this is the definition of Cold War. Okay. It is used to describe network issue. That's why my camera is off. Okay. No worries. No worries. Okay. So the tension. So okay, I'll read again. The concept of Cold War is used to describe the condition where there is no actual war. Okay. So there is no war, but the tension. उन लोग का situation ऐसा war जैसा होता है. Just before war कैसा tension रहता है. Okay. Before you all go to play football, everyone has played football. See, before the whistle rings and before you all kick the ball, what tension रहता है ना जीतने का, मेरे को तो जीतने का ही है. That was the tension between them. Okay. So there was no war, but there was fight. They both were fighting, and war hota tha. There would be a World War III, and they were just waiting. Because the only reason they were waiting, because if America would start the war ना, America पे नाम आता था. Full world would blame America कि तूने war चालू किया, तू पैसा भर. So that's why they were waiting कि एक दूसरे को चालू. If see, अगर अमेरिका चालू किया तो obviously Russia won't wait back. Russia भी आके झगड़ा करेगा. और रशिया ने चालू किया तो अमेरिका नहीं रुका. अमेरिका पे जाके झगड़ा करेगा. So they were just waiting for someone to start. But to our good fortune, no one actually started the war, and the war never happened. But this was a Cold War, and I'll tell you why was it dangerous. Okay, so I'll write the meaning of the war. In this period, America was already a superpower. Superpower means America was already doing well economically, politically. America was wealthy, but Soviet Union also tried to become a superpower. So what happened after the World War II? America emerged as a superpower, but Russia was like they both wanted to be class monitor. ऐसा हो सकता था, ठीक है? Both wanted to be monitor class का भी एक class का एक ही monitor हो सकता है, दो नहीं हो सकता. So obviously दोनों के बीच में झगड़े का situation होगा, ठीक है? Now if you want to be a monitor and if your friend wants to be a monitor, okay, obviously तुम लोग एक दूसरे के सामने fight नहीं करेगा, but तुम लोग के दिमाग में यही चलेगा ना कि मेरे को बनने का monitor. Obviously that's common sense. The same way, America was superpower and even Russia wanted to be a superpower. Okay, so what they did, they started building nuclear weapons. Okay, like we see in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, these both started building nuclear weapons and preparing for war. They had nuclear weapons. आर्म्स मतलब हाथ नहीं होते, वो लोग हाथ काट के नहीं रखते थे. आर्म्स मतलब एम्यूनिशन, मतलब बंदूक. ओके, दोज वर कॉल्ड एज आर्म्स. Difference is in ideology. Both had different ideas to win the war. Attitude of checkmating each other. Checkmating each other मतलब अगर if America would bring 2000 people, तो Russia would bring 2001 people. एक बंदा checkmate करेगा ऐसा. So they were like one step ahead. If America had 4 nuclear bombs, Russia had 5 nuclear bombs. तो 4 फेंकेगा, मैं 4 फेंकेगा +1. ले उनो में कैसा +4 डालते? Yes, you have to only write the dark end line. Okay. How in Uno when we put +4 4 card उठाना पड़ता है, तो the same way. Okay. Each other strategies would give rise to the Cold War. Now I'll tell you why Cold War was dangerous. Okay. So now these both nations ना they used to collect what nuclear bombs and all. Okay. And ये लोग nuclear bomb किधर छुपाते थे मालूम है क्या? घर में, लोगों के घर में, schools में, बच्चे लोग के bags में, ठीक है? And because of this, obviously तेरे घर के बाजू में अगर nuclear bomb रहेगा, तुम लोग को डर लगेगा ही ना. Obviously you will get scared. Okay, that's the same reason why people were living in fear. Okay, people were scared because the war did not start now, but people were scared क्योंकि मेरे घर के बाजू में nuclear bomb है, मैं कैसा जिएगा? Okay, in schools where students were reading, where students were studying in schools के basement में बंदूक रखेला. Okay, why it is kept? अगर war चालू होगा, they need to be ready. Okay, this caused a very harmful atmosphere in the people's mind, because obviously if I'm a citizen of Russia, ठीक है, मैं मस्त ऐसा घर पे एकदम मस्त चिल कर रहा है, मेरे बाजू में वो लोग बॉम्ब रख रहे हैं, मैं डरेगा ही ना. I'll run for my life. That's the same way why people were so scared, because there was no war, but there was a situation of war. Okay, everyone understood Cold War now. थोड़ा तो समझ रहा what is Cold War? Everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Write it down.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you tell me once again in short?
Cold War. Okay. See. So
Yes.
now you have a idea about the World War, right? World War One, World War Two. You know now what is World War.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो वो टाइम पे यू नो कि वॉर हुआ, पीपल फॉट, हाँ लोग, पीपल हैव डाइड इन वर्ल्ड वॉर, वो लोग ने बॉम्ब बॉम्ब फेंका, पीपल रियली डाइड. सो आफ्टर वर्ल्ड वॉर वन एंड वर्ल्ड वॉर टू देयर वाज गोइंग टू बी अ थर्ड वॉर दैट वाज नोन एज द कोल्ड वॉर. ओके, बट द कोल्ड वॉर वाज बिटवीन टू कंट्रीज, दैट इज अमेरिका एंड रशिया. ओके, इतना समझो, यू अंडरस्टूड दिस, अमेरिका एंड रशिया. ठीक है. सो नाउ क्या हो गया दोनों के बीच में, इतना मतलब दोनों के बीच में इतना झगड़ा टाइप एनवायरमेंट हो गया ना कि ऑलमोस्ट वॉर होने वाला था. बट आपने टू आर गुड लक देयर वाज नो थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर. अगर थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर होता तो हम लोग जिंदा भी नहीं होते थे अभी, वी डोंट नो. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, इट वाज नोन एज कोल्ड वॉर. कोल्ड वॉर मतलब क्या, दोनों ने वॉर का तैयारी कर लिया, मतलब वो लोग ने ऐसा बंदूक में गोली डाल दिया था, बॉम्ब रेडी रखा था हाथ में, एंड दे वर रेडी टू फाइट, बट वॉर कभी हुआ ही नहीं. ठीक है ना. आप मुझे पूछेंगे वॉर क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि देख, जो भी कंट्री वॉर चालू करता ना, पूरा दुनिया वही कंट्री को ब्लेम करता. ठीक है. अगर अमेरिका वुड स्टार्ट दी वॉर, पूरा दुनिया अमेरिका को बोलते तूने झगड़ा चालू किया, तू पैसा भरेगा. इफ रशिया वुड स्टार्ट द वॉर, सब रशिया को बोलेंगे तूने वॉर चालू किया, तू पैसा भरेगा. ठीक है. तो रशिया एंड अमेरिका दे वर वेटिंग कि सामने वाला एक गलती करेगा तो मैं जाके बम फोड़ देगा उस पर. ठीक है. पर किसी ने गलती किया ही नहीं. ठीक है. पर क्या हो गया, ये लोग जब वॉर का तैयारी कर रहे थे ना, तो जो गन्स है, बंदूक है, वो लोग किधर रख रहे थे, लोगों के घर में. ठीक है. स्कूल्स में रख रहे थे. बच्चे लोग स्कूल जा रहे थे, एक बेंच पे बच्चा बैठा था, बाजू वाले बेंच पे बॉम्ब रखा था. ठीक है. सो ऑब्वियसली जब ऐसा होता है तो लोग डरते ही है ना, ऑब्वियसली कोई भी डरेगा, कॉमन सेंस है वो. ठीक है. दैट्स द सेम वे कि इसमें क्या हुआ था कि there was a situation of war, कि ऐसा लग रहा था कि वॉर होने वाला है पर कभी वॉर हुआ नहीं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कोल्ड वॉर. समझा?
Yes, sir.
Everyone done writing?
Sir, what is the
Yes,
meaning
sir.
of
आर्म्स मतलब बंदूक है. आर्म्स मतलब अपना नॉर्मल हाथ काट के नहीं मारते थे. ऐसा अभी समझ, दोनों लोग के बीच में झगड़ा चालू है. ठीक है. मैं ऐसा हाथ काटा, अपना हाथ फेंका उस पे, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है. आर्म्स मतलब एम्यूनेशन, बंदूक है. द बिग गन्स ना, not like, you can count AK-47, but they had more than 10-15 guns on them. ठीक, a single, and you know they had like bombs का एक पूरा ऐसा स्ट्रैप रहता था, और गलती से एक बॉम्ब निकल गया ना, उसका की निकल गया, उधर ही फट गया. Okay, so it was so dangerous for them. Everyone is done writing, can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay, so these were the posters made during the Cold War. Okay, see this is the Russian Prime Minister and the American Prime Minister. Okay, this was another illustration done. Basically वो लोग के दोनों के बीच में झगड़ा, but there was no war. झगड़ा था, झगड़ा अभी भी है. ठीक है. If you know Putin and Trump, you know there's still a Cold War going. You all tell me. Okay, अगर अमेरिका ने एक छोटा सा बॉम्ब भी रशिया पे डाला, रशिया चुप बैठने वाला है क्या? नहीं. ओके, रशिया एक बॉम्ब डाला, मैं 10 बॉम्ब डालेगा, ऐसा बोलेगा. ठीक है. इफ यू ऑल नो द रशियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर, you all know how he is. Okay, this was few this. Okay, now we go to effects of Cold War. Now what happened after the Cold War? Okay, just write the part which is darkened. Okay, creation of military organization during the Cold War. Both the superpowers created military organization. Okay, the main thing to win war is what? Military. बराबर? Absolutely ना. वॉर में मिलिट्री लेके जाएगा ना. वॉर में मैं अपना कार लेके आएगा क्या? ऐसा कार में ऐसा आम में रत्नागिरी से मैंगो लेके आ रहा है, सामने वालों को आम खिलाएगा? नहीं. Okay, you need military for that. So what they built military, and different types of military. You know, A force, B force, like they had different teams to do different jobs. Okay, the respective superpowers took up responsibility of security of the country joining the military. Thus, they formed the NATO, that is the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. NATO. Please remember this. You can write the full form also. This is an important part of your lesson. NATO. What is NATO? It's the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It was a military organization under the dominance of America, while the Warsaw Pact was a military organization under the command of Soviet. So you all can write this line also. Okay. I'll just tell you all. Okay. Okay. So what happened again? So obviously they had to build militaries, okay? But now America knew, America और रशिया दोनों को मालूम था अगर वो लोग को वॉर जाने का, ठीक है, और इमरजेंसी के लिए बैकअप लगता है ना, एवरीवन हैज अ बैकअप, राइट? अगर तुम लोग का फोन उड़ गया, तुम लोग का बैकअप लैपटॉप है, ठीक है, तो द सेम, अगर तुम लोग का वाईफाई चला गया, तुम लोग का बैकअप डेटा है, सो एवरीवन हैज अ बैकअप. So what America did, America told the whole world, if you, अगर तू मेरे साइड पे आ गया ना, तो मैं तेरे को NATO treaty में साइन करेगा, okay? So what was NATO treaty? NATO, that North Atlantic Treaty Organization, was for the members who joined America in the Cold War. Okay, so they had special advantages. The same way, the countries that joined Russia, that the Soviet Union in the Cold War, were a part of the Warsaw Pact. Okay, now these two. Okay, so one was NATO. Just excuse my handwriting. One was NATO, and one was Warsaw. Okay, NATO and Warsaw. So the people who joined America were in NATO, and the people who joined Russia were in Warsaw. So what was the advantage? Okay, the people who joined NATO, America was like, if America wins the war jab hua, when America wins the war, the countries in NATO will be supreme powers. The same when Russia said, when Russia wins the war, the people in this side will become supreme powers. But did the war ever happen? No. So both the teams were losers. Okay, so I can write this down. समझ रहा इधर तक सबको? Everyone, you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is ये से तुम लोग का, हाँ बोल. Yes.
Sir, can you repeat of Warsaw? That
Okay, one second. I'll just rub it, so I'll erase it and tell you. Just give me 1 second. Huh? Okay. So now, Rishon, tell me now. Whenever you start something, you need a backup, right? Even while lectures, if you're on Wi-Fi, your backup is your data connection, right? Am I right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So the same way, America and Russia, they also needed backup. Okay, because the Second World War went for 6 years. Okay, so they were like Third World War, तो उससे भी ज़्यादा जाएगा. So if they needed help from other countries, so they needed backup. So what America did, they started NATO. That is the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, and Russia started Warsaw. Okay, just I'm sorry for my handwriting. Okay. Warsaw. Okay, so these were the two teams. Okay, so the people who joined America were in NATO, and the countries who joined Russia was in Warsaw. Okay, so obviously if the countries, okay, so if America comes to me and tells, okay, you join NATO, so I'll ask, make you join karu tera, give me some advantages na. If I join, what will I get? Okay, I need premium package na. अगर मैं Netflix खरीदा, मेरे को Netflix का मिलना चाहिए ना premium packages. So what America did, America said to the country who joined them, if once they win the war, the countries in NATO treaty will turn into supreme powers. Means these countries will rule the world. And Russians also, in the Warsaw Treaty also, Russia told the same thing, that the countries in these after the war is won by Russia, the countries in the Warsaw Treaty will turn into supreme powers. Okay, so ye lalach mein they bought many countries within them, but did the war happen? No. So did anyone become supreme powers? No. Okay, so ye log ka popad ho gaya basically once. Okay, everyone wrote, everyone understood, everyone wrote the following line.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, so I'll just go ahead. Okay. Now we have now let me just pause over here. So we have completed World War I, World War II, and Cold War. Any doubts in this three parts?
No, sir.
Sir, I was writing.
Yeah. Okay, you're writing. Oh, sorry. Just let me know once you're done, then we'll go ahead. Okay. And I hope everyone has sent me their geography homework. If anyone has not sent, please let me know. Has everyone sent it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I and Alfred sir will be sitting in tonight and be checking everyone has sent it. So if you all have sent it, no worries.
तो मैंने आज ही सेंड किया था सुबह.
No. If you are absent and all, then it's understandable. But if you all were present, then you all need to send. Even if you're absent, then it doesn't matter. Okay, you can take extra time also to solve it.
Sir,
Done. Okay, well. Okay, so I hope so. Now at this point, yes.
Sir, I'm new, so I don't know what was the homework and what was the first lesson.
No.
of geography.
You don't worry about that. It's your first lecture, so उसका टेंशन मत लो आप बस मैं जो बता रहा हूँ ना आप समझ के लो. When you have to give me the homework, I'll tell you. Okay, now you don't have to worry about homework and all because ये chapter already हो चुका है ना. So then like आप बीच में आओ, so it doesn't make sense to give you homework. So you just understand this chapter. जब हम लोग new chapter चालू करेंगे, so वो new chapter का homework आप करें, ठीक है? So now
Okay,
don't
sir.
worry about homework. Okay. Srijit, yes, I'm teaching that, Srijit. Just 1 second. Okay. So now we go upon bipolarization of the world. Okay. So now what is bipolarization? Okay. During the Cold War, most countries of the world joined either of the two superpowers. Such a division of nations of the world is called bipolarization. The scope of the Cold War increased due to this. The sphere of tension spread. So basically, there were two countries. Okay. Can anyone name the two countries in the Cold War?
America and
America
Soviet
and
Union.
Russia.
Okay. America, absolutely. America and Russia. Okay, so the world was divided into two parts. So obviously, every country was going into teams. So the process of people joining different countries. Now that process was called as this bipolarization. When either countries of the world have to select another country as their team, it's called as bipolarization. Okay, so basically when countries were divided because of the Cold War, it is called as bipolarization. When you play cricket with your friends, तुम लोग सब एक टीम में रहते हैं क्या? नहीं, तुम लोग दो टीम बना के क्रिकेट खेलते हैं ना, एक टीम बना के क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकते अपन. Okay, so when you divide your friends into two teams, that's called as bipolarization. Okay, this understood, Srijit? You understood this?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, so you'll write this. इसमें write the whole thing because it's important. Okay. Okay, don't write the whole thing, just write till here. Oh, that is the example. So because of this, what happened now see when the world also was divided into two teams, now everyone वो automatically scared कि अभी बोला कि world war होना ही है because it was not a joke. People literally thought कि World War III होने ही वाला है. Okay, but it didn't happen. To our luck, to our luck, it didn't happen. Okay, so bipolarization means dividing the world into two parts. Is it raining over there? Oh, like because here it's thundering.
No,
Is it
sir.
raining in Kalyan?
No, sir.
Yeah, it's thundering very bad. Just let me know once you're done, and we'll go ahead. You'll have another lecture today after my lecture. Alfred sir का
Yes.
lecture है ना तुम लोग को? Okay.
Sir.
Seven.
Yes, sir.
No. Let me see कितना बाकी है अपना ये chapter में. Just 1 second,
Done,
guys.
sir.
Okay, just 1 second, guys. Don't worry, I'm not this. Okay, so we have a set of है अपना chapter खत्म होने को. So almost 9 to 10 slides are. But no worry, this chapter needs that much time to be done because it's an important chapter. So even I feel tomorrow का lecture में chapter खत्म हो जाएगा, so I can give you all the notes also. Everyone is done. Can I go on to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
I'll just wait for 2 minutes. I see some people writing. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. And from tomorrow ka lecture, I'll start giving, before the lecture, I'll start out with a few fun activities also. So I hope you all are present for tomorrow's lecture. Actually, I wanted to do it today only. आज ही मेरा मन था करने का, but then light नहीं था, so I couldn't make those activities. But tomorrow I'll do it. Okay. So I'm just changing the slide. I hope everyone is done writing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll just remove this answer.
Sir,
Sir, what you are telling?
I'm saying that from tomorrow's lecture, I'll try to add some fun activities also before the start of the lecture. So then you all just get some interest. Actually, I had planned an activity for today, but because of the internet, because of the electricity going here, I couldn't do it. Okay. So now we go on to creating of religion organization. Okay. So in this, I'll tell you, I don't have to write the whole thing. Just write the dark mark part. Okay. Developing nations created regional organization at the regional level in order to ensure mutual cooperation in the context of superpower rivalry. European countries came together and formed European Economic Community, while the Southeast Asian countries, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, established the Association of Southeast Asian Nation, that is the ASEAN. Okay, so isme there you have to just remember one thing. Okay, so see, when the world came to know that okay, we have to prepare for World War III. So what they did, they only came together to help each other. Okay, so these countries, these Asian countries, Europe, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, these were small countries at the time. Okay, वो छोटे-छोटे countries थे. Even now they are small. Okay, so what they did, they came and they built an organization and they told each other that because see, they didn't want to be a part of the war. Okay, but obviously they will be affected by the war because war mein the whole world is affected, right? So they will be affected by the war. So what these countries did, they came together and they told themselves that whatever happens during the war, we will try and help each other as much as possible. हम लोग एक दूसरे का मदद करेंगे. Be it anything, be it food, be it money, be it ammunition, anything. We will try and help and protect each other. Okay, so this is the small nations. They came together to help themselves. Okay, just write the last line. And always remember the full forms. Okay, the ASEAN का full form, NATO का full form. Always remember that full form. It 100% comes for your MCQs.
सर क्या क्या लिखना है?
सिर्फ जो बोर्ड के है ना टोटल से लास्ट वाला, सिंगापुर से लेके ASEAN तक.
ओके ओके.
Done, sir.
Okay. Wait for 2 more minutes and we'll go ahead. Try and be present for this chapter at least tomorrow ka lecture because this chapter is very important.
done, sir.
Okay. I'll just wait for 2 minutes and I'll go ahead. Everyone is done?
Yes, no, sir.
Okay. लिख दे रुका. And this जो lesson है ना, तुम लोगों को लग रहा रहेगा कि इतना बड़ा चैप्टर है, पर फिर भी ये पॉलिटिकल साइंस है और ये हिस्ट्री का टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग. पॉलिटिकल साइंस में सोचो हिस्ट्री में कितना बड़ा टॉपिक रहेगा इसका.
Sir, done.
Okay, just wait for one minute, then we'll go on.
हाँ सर हो गया.
Okay. Now we come to non-aligned movement. This is one of the last topics, non-aligned movement. Now see, obviously, when America and Russia came forward and they told other nations to join their team. Okay, they will obviously be some countries that they didn't want to join any team. Okay, they will be like, तुम लोग अपना war लड़ो, मेरे को अपना जिंदगी peace में जीने दो. ठीक है. They don't mind. They told the countries, they told America and Russia, you all go and fight the war. We don't have problem, but you all keep us out of it. Okay, because I want to live my life peace. I want my people. I don't want my people to die, and I don't want to be a supreme country. तो तुम लोग अपना कंट्री में टीम खेलो, मेरे को खेलने का ही नहीं है तुम लोग के साथ. ठीक है, मैं अपना अकेला में घर खेलेगा, मैं तुम लोग के साथ नहीं खेलेगा. Okay, this is what is called non-aligned movement. Okay, in the period, I'll tell you all what to write. Don't write anything. Okay, in the period of the Cold War, while the world was becoming bipolar means the whole world was getting divided into two teams. There were some countries which did not want to join any power. Such nations decided to stay out of the Cold War, and their policy is known as non-alignment. Non-alignment was important movement during the Cold War. So what is non-alignment? They are the countries which decided to stay out of the Cold War. They straight away told America and Russia to the face, बाबा तुम लोग जाके खेलो, तुम लोग मरो, मारा पीटी करो, मेरे को नहीं खेलने का तुम लोग साथ. मेरी मम्मी चिल्ला रही है मेरे को, मैं बाजू में जाके बैठेगा. ठीक है, they didn't want anything. They were like हम लोग को छोड़ दो बस, because they didn't want their people to die, so they just secluded themselves. You understood what is non-aligned movement? You all understood non-alignment? Did you all understand this topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do one thing. There's only
Yes,
less
sir.
than 1 minute remaining. So before I go ahead, you all just I'll just end the meeting because meeting end हो जाएगा. So we'll end and we'll join again and we'll continue. Okay. So I'm just ending the meeting. We'll continue again.